Welcome guys, if you wanna use split screen on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro, for the first just click here. Then we have to click on the split screen in the left upper corner. And right now, as you can see, there is notification that we have to press and hold an application, then drag it here. So maybe we can go for the settings. And we can choose maybe something else like Google Chrome. And we are on our website HardReset.Info, and also we can just working on the settings. And with this switcher you can let me show you again. So there was settings. Oh no, split screen settings, yeah, and it was Google Chrome. And with this switcher you can adjust the size of your application. You can choose which one had to be bigger or smaller, and also we can just close it with swiping right here. And thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.